Hey guys, today we are in Audi A3 8V and I'm going to show you how to enable dyno mode. So if you want to try your car on the dyno, there's a mode especially for that, and using this mode will prevent the car from storing some faults from the lane assist camera, from the front facing radar, from the traction control. And I believe this mode also disables the Haldex, the four-wheel drive, so you can test your car with the front wheels only on a dyno that's only ready for one axle. So the procedure is very simple. First, ignition on. Don't press anything over here because you will start the engine otherwise. So just press the start stop button, wait a couple seconds and turn on hazard lights. And right now press the accelerator pedal 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can see that you have additional indicators over here. Right now brake. This once again, engine is on and you are in dyno mode. You can see that we have some errors from the traction control, we have errors from the tire pressure monitoring system, and we can see that the ESC is off. We have all kinds of warnings, and right now the car is ready to be tested on a dyno. And when you are done, let's check how to do it. For example, I'm sure that you can just turn off the engine, turn it back on, and the dyno mode is no longer over here. But let's check with hazard lights. No, it's still over here. Okay, so let's try to turn off the ignition, turn it back on, and I believe we should not have those warnings from the ESC and from the tire pressure monitoring system. So right now the car is in standard mode, let's call it. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.